Welcome to Lesson 6. This is Part 7 of 7 parts. Be sure you have completed all prior videos before watching this one. In this segment, we're going to wrap up by looking at our overall project cost and finish date. We've already seen multiple locations where you can check overall project costs. The cost table and the project statistics pop up. Project statistics and the tracking Gantt chart also show the project finish date. See the project summary task. All the rest of the status information about your project is available in the various tables and views we've already examined. In this final navigation session of the course, I'd like to take the opportunity to go through a few of the key areas where you can find out about the progress of your project on a regular basis. Let's start with the cost table. And you'll notice that we have a variance of $800, which came from the $500 for the server setup fee for the public web portal and $300 in bound galley proofs. Now, although we made some shifts to durations and start dates, we didn't change any of the project work. Therefore, none of our human resource costs have changed. And this $800 reflects all the variance for the project. So this is actually quite good because we are well within 10% of the overall project budget. Now let's take a look at the variance table, because here we can see how we're varying as far as completion. We can see our overall project summary task, and it has a finish variance of 7 days, and that was a result of adding the lag. And we are at this point, based on the information you've been inputting, 66% complete with the project. You can also see the variance on the individual tasks. Now, one more place to look is on Project tab, Project Information, and click the Statistics button. You'll see a good summary of our project here. It's a 24 days in duration project with 236 hours of work at a cost of $11,270 based on our current information. This is 7 days more than our baseline. The work has not changed, and the costs have increased by $800. You can see our actual and remaining time and work and cost as well, and see that we are 66% complete with result to the project time and 88% complete with the result to the project work. So you can see we're doing fairly well. We have a higher percentage of work completed than time that has passed in our project. So that concludes our navigation session and concludes the course. So congratulations, everyone, for reaching this point. Now go and celebrate your newfound knowledge of Microsoft Project 2013 Professional. Congratulations to all. Now it's time for you to practice. Check out your project statistics and make sure they match the provided checkpoints. If they do not, then you may need to review some videos and find out where the differences are. Please be sure to save your final file. Here is a view of the project cost table for comparison purposes. Your project should end on Friday, February 5th, as it was extended out by the lag time. Baseline costs should be smaller than current, as we have added the bound galley proofs and the server setup fee. Although we entered some project actual time, we never changed the work. So the charges for our human resources have not contributed to our variance. Your current budget should be exactly $800 greater than the baseline budget. Since you are within 10% of the estimated budget, you and your team did a great job at estimating. The surprises on the journey of this project were small and don't require corrective action. Your entry table should look something like this. Your table column ordering may be slightly different, however the contents should be the same. Note I was unable to include all the recurring tasks. In a similar manner, your project Gantt chart should look something like this. So now it's time to celebrate. You've completed the required videos of the MS Project 2013 online course. You've absorbed a lot of material in a short amount of time, so I would encourage you to put these skills to work for you in your organizations whenever possible. Thank you for viewing the Lesson 6 videos and this course. When you have finished practicing with the user interface, complete the quizzes before the next class. Congratulations, you've successfully made it to the end of the course.